for those who are new, I'm Miss Pretty Bascos, your teacher in dressmaking and tailoring here on YouTube. And for today's lesson, I'll be showing you on how to cut a sleeveless top without making a pattern or directly on the fabric. Okay, let's get started. Okay, I have two fabrics here, one for the front and one for the back. Let's begin. We'll make only two basic lines here. Always remember that this side is for your shoulder. This part is your center fold and this part is the lower part, and this one is for the side seam. Okay, just make a perpendicular line there and mark another line there with a distance of 1 inch there, and then make the shoulder. This one is only for a kid, it's only for my daughter. I'll put it 13 for the shoulder, and for the distance here I'll just mark it like 3 inches here, okay, for the neck hole. And I'm going to project this one here. Okay, now we're going to measure from here for the length. I'll make it 21 inches from the second mark, okay, and then go down for, actually I don't need the waist measurement, but for the sake of this one I'll just make the figure 14 inches and make a basic line here. For this bust level, I'll just make 8 inches, okay, and then there. Now mark it here too. See how I manipulate the tool. Now measure this one for the bust. I'll make it 36 for the bust, okay, there. And for the hip, or for the biggest part, I'll make it 38 here. Okay, it's just having a slight curve there. Now I'm going to adjust a little here. Okay, I'll adjust for 1/4 inch there on this part, and then there. Then just like this. This is just a simple top, okay, and then I'm going to mark it this way. Okay. I'll be following this mark and then put an allowance here. Now let's proceed to the armhole. I need to make the armhole 16 inches only, so like this. This is a trial and error method, like this. You see, the 8 is there, okay, and it matches here, so I'm going to mark it there like this, there. I'm not going to make this deep here, because this is an sleeveless top, or just a simple top like this, okay. There. For this part, I want to make it a bit wider here on the neck hole, so I'm going to adjust it for 1/2 inch here, okay, and then I'm going to project this mark here to here. Okay, now I need to cut it. I'll cut it here now. I didn't put an allowance here. You know, I have a purpose why I didn't put an allowance here, because I need to show you on how to put a bias piping. with the use of this pop. Okay, I leave half-inch allowance here only, and at the armhole no need to add an allowance also. Okay, there. And for the side seam, just add half-inch. Okay, and here on this part, just add half-inch also. You see, I'm not going to follow this, I'm going to follow this one. There. This is it. Okay. Now, I need to make the back. There's no opening, huh? Just fold it also this way, and put the front on top of the fabric for the back, like this. Okay, you just adjust here on this area for the neck hole. Okay, just mark here, there, oh sorry, there, then mark it there, then take this one to connect it there. Okay, there, and then it will go there. You see? There. And for this one, you just follow the cut of that one for the shoulder. Okay. There. And here. Okay. There. And then here, same. Okay. Okay, this is it.